Hello buddy, so this is iDevice TV. So today I'm going to teach you really simple steps on how to clean your iPod Touch. Wait for a second. Where's my hat? There you go. I got my hat thing. So first you need your iPod. Okay, some water or window cleaner or Windex you can use, and some tissue paper, toilet paper or kitchen paper, and a microfiber cloth. Let me get one of my microfiber cloth. I don't know if I have one. Okay, you don't need a microfiber cloth, but I just take a cloth. So let's start. First, you take one tissue paper and put your iPod Touch onto it. Okay. If you have case, make sure to open up and put it onto your table. You can see mine is really dirty. Okay. Now you want to take one more tissue paper and just fold it 4 times. And fold it half and fold it another half. So it becomes 4. Okay. Okay, now make it a little bit smaller and put some water. No, don't put water first. First you want to wipe the stains out of it, of the iPod. Try to wipe it a little bit hard. I'm going to put this water at the side. Okay. Shut up, iPod. Okay, now if you have a clean iPod, make sure to check it. Okay, yeah, now you have a clean iPod. Now take your tissue paper and dip it into the water. Squeeze it. I'll squeeze it on my case. Okay, now you have a wet tissue. Now you wipe it circular motion. Wipe the camera if you have if your camera is not clear. Now wipe all the screen in any motion way. Shit. Okay. Okay. Now you will have like a really wet. Let it dry until the color does not have, or you can just use a microfiber cloth and try to wipe it. Okay, now you have a really clean one. Now make sure to take your microfiber cloth or any cloth you have, try to wipe it really good until no stains of tissue is stuck onto the screen protector. Now you have the really clean iPod Touch screen. Still put it on a tissue. Now you're gonna clean the back. The back one is really advanced part where you wanna use the same tissue, dip it a little bit more and squeeze it. Okay, now you wipe it. Okay, try if you have a iPod Touch 4G, try to just wipe a little bit. Just try to dip it onto the camera. Do not touch the microphone. Now cover the microphone and the camera. Wipe at the back. Oh shit. Okay, when you're done, take your non-wet paper, just do a ball and just wipe it out. Or after you're done this, take your microfiber cloth and just wipe it out. Now you have the clean iPod Touch. Oh shit, there's stains. If there's stains, you can just wipe it out. There you have it, a clean iPod Touch. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching, bye.